Yo guys, I'm literally shaking right now. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have something a little bit different for you guys. If you've been around for a while on the channel, you might have seen this car before. I actually did the spark plugs on this car a while back. The motor mounts I also did on this, but this right here is a 2011 Subaru Outback. It's actually a flat 6. There are very limited models for Subaru that actually came with the flat 6. Very interesting architecture. These particular motors are an absolute nightmare when it comes to oil leaks. Schmeedy actually swapped one of these into a Subaru STI, but we're not doing any kind of stuff like that. This car actually has a pretty gnarly oil leak, so it's been sitting a while. As you can see, the mice have torn up the insulation. There's actually mice feces all over the engine, but that's something for another day. Today I am actually going to change out the lower control arms. Fortunately for us, ball joint comes with it. That's going to be an interesting feat in and of itself. This car spent some time up north, so I'm a bit worried. So let's see how the install is gonna go. So this is what it's not supposed to look like. And so my mom complained about some vibrations that she felt when the car got up to speed on the highway, and this would explain everything. In addition to that, the shocks are also blown front and rear. So this is what they're supposed to look like. And clearly, no cracks, nothing. So, and that's a pretty stiff bushing. So you can imagine how unstable the car felt driving in a straight line. So we're gonna replace that. As you can see, as I mentioned, northern car, so you can see the corrosion pretty much everywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna work through everything as best as I can and try to not snap any bolts. I had to cut the end links off, so I have a carnage of bolts here. Unfortunately, the bolt that holds the ball joint, both sides are pretty much destroyed. So on the passenger side, half the bolt sheared off, so pretty much this spindle is done. You know, there's no way I'm gonna drill that out and retap it. It's just not, it doesn't make sense. It's probably easier to just buy a new spindle. The driver's side bolt came out pretty easy, but unfortunately it's pretty stripped on the end. So that spindle is done as well. I left the lower control arms on for right now. I'm gonna put this off for a couple days while I order the new parts, and then we'll get back into it. Well guys, if you made it this far in the video, you're a superstar. So I took a break for about a week or so. I ordered some new parts. So because of the nature of this install and just the fact that this car has been up north, the amount of rust that has been discovered here, it's going to be really hard to get some of these bolts off. The spindles are already shot, so I ordered new ones of those. I ordered new end links for the sway bar, front and rear. And while I'm here taking apart everything, I might as well do the shocks as well. So I ordered those. It took a bit of time to actually get those parts, but now that we got them, so we're going to continue the install. If you guys are ever wondering what hell looks like, this is it right here. Lower control arm bolt. And if you could see the surface of this thing, literally rusted to hell. Oh my god, guys, literally a job from hell. That is a Black Widow right there. In the last 2 weeks, that is the third Black Widow that I've seen. Oh my god. Yo guys, I'm literally shaking right now. I'm literally shaking right now because I've been around this car. I've been working on this car, and I literally went to go take that off. I've been banging around. I am terrified right now, guys. I'm literally terrified right now. Oh my god. I picked it up, I flipped it over right as I got it off the rim, and Black Widow right there. It looks like it has a nest. So I'm literally gonna pour gasoline on it and burn the hell out of that thing. I do not want that thing getting lost in this grass. Yeah, it's literally protecting its egg. Let me see if I can get a close-up. Hold on. Literally, guys, it's protecting the egg. You see it? Alright, anyways, I'm gonna burn that thing. Yeah, it might be absurd lighting this with gasoline and kerosene, but I don't take any risk at all. So